Hello, everybody, and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then kind of bounce on the market and look for something to trade. Well, it's Monday, it's a holiday, so the market's closed as well, which is why we're kind of a day late on this thing. But if you've been watching the market over the last few weeks or months, you've seen everything is kind of near its highs. The S&P 500, this is the highest it's been in the last 6 months. As you can see, this is the 6-month chart. If we go to the NASDAQ, that's way up here, obviously spurred by the AI revolution. So the tech stocks are booming, the Nvidias of the world, things like that are all zooming to the moon because AI is taking over the world, it looks like. So the QQQ is way up here, and it's way above its 6-month highs, or at its highs. The IWM, which of course has the banks in it, is still taking a beating. It's been staying in the range. You can see it's way below where it was at its highs. So what are we going to trade today? Well, let's go over to the bonds, and you'll see they've been taking a beating as well over the last, let's say, month or so, which means volatility is high. So except for these kind of small areas here, you can see volatility is kind of at its 6-month high as well. So what are we going to do? Well, you can see it's kind of near its 6-month lows. Right here it shows you 98.88 is its low of the last 6 months, and we're down here at 101. So what we're going to do is, as contrarians, because volatility is high, we're going to do an Iron Condor, but we're going to skew it to the upside, which means we're going to put the put side closer to the stock price than the call side. So let me show you what I mean. So just remember, 98.88 is the low of the last 6 months. So we're going to use that as our kind of baseline to say hopefully it doesn't go much below that, or that's kind of where it stops. So if we go to the trade page, of course we always want to be as close to 45 days as possible. This will be 52 tomorrow, and I've already set this up. So the stock price is 101. Remember when I said 98.88 was its low? So we're going to sell the 98 put, which is below its 6-month low, meaning I'm hoping that that's kind of where it bottoms out roughly, and after that it starts to shoot back up. On the call side, I'm going to leave room for it to run upwards, which means I'm moving the call side way far away from the stock price. So you can see this is $8 away on the call side, only $3 away on the put side. And that's what I mean by skewed Iron Condor. Usually we're equidistant away on either side, but in this case I'm making a bet that hopefully over the next 52 days this thing might bottom off below 98, but that's kind of where it's going to kind of bounce from. That's the assumption. So what we're going to do is, as long as we collect at least 66 cents or more, which you can see we are, that's good. So tomorrow when the market opens, if everything stays the same, we're at 101. We're going to go $3 down. We're going to go $8 up, create a $2 wide Iron Condor. Again, we're buying the call and the put $2 away from our strikes, and we're going to look to collect 66 cents or more. After that, if we don't, obviously we pull sides in closer. But that is our trade in TLT, which is the bond market, for tomorrow. Hello everybody, and thank you for watching my trade of the week. It means you are interested in learning how to trade, but unfortunately this one trade a week without done in real time and not showing you how to manage it after the fact is not going to get you where you want to go. If you want to get where you want to go as far as knowledge, I highly recommend these 3 courses. They are a series in this order: Understand, Basic, and Make and Manage. That will get you from absolutely ground zero all the way to trading in just those 3 courses. If you want to learn about all the variety of kinds of strategies out there, this is a great course, complete guide. It'll show you all the various kind of strategies out there, kind of introduce you to a bunch of them, but nothing in depth. And finally, if you're already good at Iron Condors, this is a great course to learn about another 6 or 7 different variations on Iron Condor. But really what I brought you here for is to show you what's available to you as my students, because I want to give you something to help you get up and trading as quickly as possible. And to do that, I feel like it's trading alongside me. I trade in real time every day, so I figure why not have people who want to learn how to trade next to me. And the way I do that is through my alerts. So right here, there's 2 alerts. There's the basic and the pro. The alert itself is exactly the same. The only difference between the basic and the pro is the pro gives you access to every course or webinar or anything I've ever made as far as content. Now the alert itself is 2 to 3 alerts per week in real time. So 2 to 3 mornings per week I'm going to send out a trade in real time, trades I'm actually making. And I will also send out alerts on when to close them for the best profit potential and the timings to close as well. So you're absolutely learning how to trade right alongside me. Now the big thing here is I know these are expensive out the gate, and I don't want people using any of my services they're not absolutely happy with. So what you want to do is if you go over to sharpertrades.com and click on the products button and pick one of these alerts, if you type in this code into the option basic alert, it will get you $1 for the first month. So instead of $49 a month, you'll get it for only $1. And if you don't like it, you can cancel it at any time. If you stick around and you think it's worth it, it'll default to the monthly charge. Same thing with the Pro. If you type in this code, it'll get you $19 for the first month. Again, this is more expensive because it gives you access to every course or webinar or content I've ever made. Again, you can cancel at any time. So if you don't like it, absolutely cancel anytime, but you can at least try it and see if it's for you. But you might say, so Cal, how do I use these coupons? All you do is go over to sharpertrades.com. You're going to click on the products button right here. And when you click on that products button, what's going to happen is it's going to take you to this page, our products, and it's going to show you these two, Option Basic and Option Pro. If you click on Option Basic Alert, it'll bring up the enroll page. Right here, you click on enroll. I know it says $49 per month, but we're not going to start there. We're going to go here to add coupon code. When you add the coupon code, you're going to hit apply, and this $49 will drop down to $1 for the first month. If you stick around and like it, it'll default to $49 after that. On the Option Pro side, same thing. If you hit Option Pro, enroll for $99 per month. We don't want you to do that. You're going to go to add coupon code right here and hit apply. And when you do, this will drop down to $19 for the first month. Obviously, if you stick around, it will also default back to $99 in the second month and moving forwards. And here again are those coupon codes. Use them to get the massive discounts while they're still available. I would love to have you on board. I would love to get you up and trading as quickly and confidently as possible for as cheaply as possible to make sure you like what you're doing before you go any further. So come on over to Sharper Trades, type in these codes, and come join me trading. Talk to you soon, and happy trading.